are on the way to Sangli and we plan to take a break for breakfast in Davangere for its world famous Davanagere Benne Dosae. Hey guys, this is Sunita. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are at Sri Guru Kottureshwara Benne Dosae in Davangere, which is very famous for its Benne Dosae. Davangere is 250 km away from Bangalore. Sri Guru Kottureshwara Benne Dosae hotel is very old in Davangere and it's very famous for its Benne Dosae. Even plain dosa also very famous here. Look at this huge tawa. It can make 25 dosas at a time. They are serving these dosas with coconut chutney and mashed potatoes. Not like potato sabzi, but mashed potatoes on this banana leaves. They are preparing our order. We ordered Benne Dosae. Look at this. Lots of butter they are adding on dosa. We are very hungry. Look wise, this dosa looks very crisp. Added lots of butter on it. So we'll test this and we'll tell you how's it. The taste of dosa was very yummy, very tasty. That butter and that crisp of dosa was very delicious. You must try this dosas. The origin of Davangere Benne Dosa you must try here. Timing for this hotel is morning 7:30 to night 9:30. So you can enjoy your food anytime here. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please consider to support us by subscribing our channel पर किसान. So मिलते हैं next video में. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.